right, so this is the Jellas hip replacement recovery kit. Here's a little details: 2 grabber tools, 1 sock aid, 1 dressing stick, 1 rugged leg lifter strap, 1 soft bath sponge, 1 button hook. So that's kind of what comes in here. Not really anything around the box. Company information over here, very typical with their support email. But let's open up this Jellas hip replacement recovery kit, which again, thank you to Jellas for sending this to me. I am going to gift this to a family member who can use it once I'm done showing you what comes in it. All right, that's it for the box. So, look at some of this stuff. So that's definitely the bath sponge. It's got like a handle there where you can, you know, that would be helpful. This is like bendable with a handle here and a handle here. Not certain which one. I wish there was like a diagram. I hate that there's no diagram telling me what any of this stuff is. I think this is the dressing. This must have came off of there. Looks like these can actually, yeah, these actually screw into each other. And then one side's for that, one side's for that. There's one of the grabbers. Looks like those just go together. And there's one of the other grabbers. Come on out. So that just kind of goes into there. Very nice. Simple too. Now these don't feel like they're really cheap or anything. Feels pretty good, sturdy stuff, I think. Folds down nicely. Take a look at this one. Same concept, just a little longer. Very cool. Everything does feel like good quality. Nothing feels cheap or like it'll break easy. Everything feels like really nice quality. So that's it. These you can see even have like good rubber grips. Back here, you've even got a nice rubber grip. Ways you could hang all of these items up somewhere where they'd be accessible. That's probably what all these hooks are for. Absolutely love this. Perfect for somebody who has a hip replacement. And if you're looking to buy one of these, this is what you can expect to get inside the box from the folks over at Jellas. Again, thank you to Jellas for sending this to me. We'll see you all in the next one. Deuces.